Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. How you doing today? We're gonna cover up the GB. I got some black Monocoat here, and we're gonna cover up. Thank you to the gentleman that explained to me that it wasn't a wasp nest; that it was called a dauber. I guess it's a type of bug, and it was the one that made that concrete. I mean, there's still a little bit in the back, but it's not a big deal. Um, I don't think it's going to really cause a real major issue with weight, and I think it'll just do the aircraft will be just fine the way it is. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to cover this area right here up, and then we're going to cover the other side. Okay. So I figured I'd go and put this on video so you guys can see how it's done. Got my iron already heating up. I'm putting it up to 2.5. That way, oh, turn it on. 2.5. That way, it gives it a little heat. This is some Monocoat that I have, but you can use New Coat. If you go to Value Hobbies, I'll put a link in the description box below, so you can find Monocoat if you want to. If you want to use tissue paper, you can use tissue paper. But when you're covering and when you're redoing an aircraft, especially an older plane, you want to go back to what's original. With this plane, you want to use Monocoat because that's what it was, Monocoat at that time. This is an old Hobby Lobby airplane, so it has the old Monocoat. The reason there's no Monocoat around is you can thank California for banning the stuff. Really want to get into logistics on that stuff. So, all right. So it looks like it's going to fit just perfectly. This piece that I cut. Now, actually, I'm going to slice right here so I can bring it down size. I think that's good. And then what I'll do is I'll slice here, and then I'll cut that piece right there. Now you're going to tell when it's flying, you're not going to really be able to tell this. You're not going to be able to tell the difference in color as the sun beats down on it. The colors should match over time. So Okay, so we got that piece done. Let's now slice along this line. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. I'm gonna go right over the. I have to do this because, unfortunately, cut too far down to take that dollar out. Got messed out, and it took out a lot of the paint. So that's all right. Plane's flying so high up, you're not really going to notice it. I can always paint a line here with some paint. It's not really a big deal for me, so I just want to get the plane back up in the air. You know what I'm saying? So we can put over the spectrum. Oops. There we go. All right, that's it for that. A little bit here. There's a wrinkle right here, but when I put the heat gun on it, it should go away. And the heat gun is hooked up, so I haven't used it. Nope, the heat gun's not hooked up. Gotta hook up the heat gun. You know what? I actually like that because it brings some air, some cool air into the plane. Now we do this piece here. Got enough. This piece. Do we have it? Oh, yes, we do. Don't have to cut anymore. that off. A little bit of a bend of that there. The old Monaco stretched out too much. Let's take a little cut here, patch that up so it doesn't get wet. That's all we need. Perfect. That's the way it was written, guys. Plane's ready to go back to flight. I'm happy. You're all happy. We are all happy. Alrighty. Plane is ready to go back. I mean, since you're here, might as well put the blade on, right? Put the blade on. Let's see. Every propeller comes with its own unique little guiders, so we're going to figure out which one it is. That one. That one looks like perfect. Just like that. The GB now has a prop and it's ready to go back to flight. All right, guys, smash the thumbs up button if you're a first time watcher of this channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Maybe you want to hit a subscribe. Touch the little bell icon. You'll be alerted when the videos go live. I try to upload a video every day, whether it's a long format video like this one. We do various build videos. I also have a Substack account where I write about these planes. I write about them. I put videos on there that you won't see here. It is a subscription-based service. It's $5 a month. You get a lot more information specifically on old planes like this, specifically old model airplanes like these. And also I'll be putting a lot more content, a little bit more kind of like in the realms of building videos over there. So follow me over on Substack. You can find the link in the description box below, and we will catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out. Talk to y'all later, guys.